It's time for another Dirt Daily, and I think this is a wrap on Newb Sock for now. I have a pile of parts that I want to install on this when I get home. I just ran out of time, but in just about a month, we went from a Jeep that wouldn't run to this. Has a brand new 3.6 Pentastar engine, brand new 8-speed automatic transmission, brand new transfer case. It's not the Rubicon case, but I think it will be fine for now. We have brand new Mopar axles front and rear with 513s and electric lockers. We have a brand new suspension. It's partially by Rock Jock and partially by Synergy with shocks from SDI. So we have multiple companies involved in our suspension. We have brand new steering links and everything also from Rock Jock. We have a brand new AEV bumper on the front and another one in the rear with a Warren winch on the front and AEV lights. We have brand new rock sliders on the sides from MotoBilt. We have a brand new radio from Rugged Radios. What else? We put that Spod in to control the electric lockers and to control the off-road lights. There's a controller in there that runs the eClick shocks, the SDI shocks, to help you adjust the tuning on those. What else? Oh, we put the Z Automotive Taser programmer in there to convince the vehicle that it's okay now because it doesn't have the front axle disconnect. It has lower gears. It has bigger tires. It has, Falken, 37-inch Falken tires on Mopar wheels. Is that everything? It has a brand new Odyssey battery. I think that's it. I think I've gone over everything I've done to it. It's pretty amazing that in a matter of a month, we took a Jeep that was kind of grungy and needed a little bit of everything and turned it into a really cool trail rig. I'm gonna close the hood. I just bled the brakes. I'm gonna take this thing for a test drive, put it on the trailer, and tow it to the other side of America for ultimate adventure. It's really cool. It really reminds me of my TJ tube sock, which is right over here, looking kind of sad. But I think it's a great addition to the fleet. Plus it's different. It's gas, it's an automatic, thing has cruise control. It would have air conditioning if I got the air conditioning charged, which hopefully we don't need it because it's kind of going into fall. But sure enough, if I don't have it, it'll be 110 degrees where we're going. That's it for this Dirt Daily. I'm out of here. Newb Sock's ready to go. I got to put tools in it, camping gear, and a cooler, and we're going on ultimate adventure. Pretty cool that you can go with a pretty basics Jeep that anybody could build. Does it have a lot of money in it? Yeah, it's got some good parts in it. It's got some money invested in it. Is it the most high dollar thing? No, but it's got good parts, and I think it's going to work great. We'll see you guys next time. Where's my seat belt? Back that up a little, lean this back a little. We're gonna go straight back, and then when we get to that tire, we're gonna turn this way just a little to clear the hitch on pond scum, and then we're gonna turn it back so we don't run into the door and all the thousands of boxes. Come on, little Newb Sock. Let's go on ultimate adventure.